Good morning everyone. Today I am here for nitro compounds. Introduction. Nitro compounds are an important class of organic compounds which may be regarded as derived from hydrocarbon by the replacement of one or more hydrogen atom by nitro groups. Nitroarenes such that nitro compound in which NO2 group is directly attached to benzene ring can be prepared rather easily and have been used as synthetic reagent since long. But nowadays every nitroalkane are being prepared and used on a large scale. Structure of groups. Nitro group is quite often represented as containing a double bond between nitrogen and one oxygen and a coordinate or dative bond between nitrogen and other oxygen. But actually nitro group is stabilized by resonance and is a hybrid of two equivalent contributing structures. The resonance hybrid structure is confirmed by the fact that the bond length of each nitro-oxygen bond is 121 picometer or 1.21 angstrom, which is intermediate between NO single bond length 136 picometer or 1.3 angstrom and N double bond O double bond length 115 picometer or 1.15 angstrom. In case of a nitro-arene resonance Arranged resonance of nitro groups with the ring can also take place, giving rise to additional contribution structure for the molecule. It will be interesting to note that nitro group is isoelectronic with a carboxylic anion. Nomenclature of nitro compound. Nitro compound are named by writing the word nitro before the name of a parent compound. The number of nitro The number of nitro group and their position are also suitable, indicating L is illustrated below. Nitromethane, nitroethane, 2-nitropropane, 2-nitro-3-methyl-butane. Nitrobenzene, orthonitrophenolane, metadinitrobenzene, para-nitrophenols. Classification of nitroalkanes. Nitroalkanes are termed as primary, secondary or tertiary according as the nitro group is attached to a primary, secondary or tertiary carbon atom, that is primary nitroalkane, secondary nitroalkane, tertiary nitroalkane. For example, nitroethane, 2-nitropropane, 2-methyl, 2-nitropropane, 3 degree. Preparation of nitro compounds. Preparation of nitroalkanes. Nitroalkanes are usually prepared by the following methods. First, vapor phase nitration of alkane. This reaction involves the substitution of a hydrogen atom of the alkene by a nitro group. It is carried out in the vapor state by heating the alkane with nitric acid at about 700 degree Kelvin. Limitation of the process. During nitration of a high alkene, all possible isomeric nitro products are found. Moreover, rupture of a carbon-carbon bond also takes place, leading to the formation of nitroalkanes containing lesser number of a carbon atom. For example, nitration of a propane results in the formation of a mixture of a 4 nitro compound as shown below. Propane in the presence of NO3 at 673 Kelvin temperature give 1 nitropropane 25%, 2 nitropropane 40%, nitroethane 10%, nitromethane 25%. Due to the formation of a complex mixture of a product, this method is not used for the laboratory preparation of nitroalkane. However, the method is widely used for the commercial preparation of a nitroalkane since they are used as industrial solvent only. Mechanism. The reaction is believed to involve the formation of free radical, but the mechanism is not well established. Second, action of a silver nitrate on alkyl halide. This is a method generally employed for the laboratory preparation of a nitroalkane. When heated with silver nitrate, alkyl halide undergoes nucleophilic substitution to form nitroalkane along with the small quantity of alkyl nitrite. This is because NO2 is an ambient nucleophile. However, the mixture of alkyl nitrites and nitroalkanes can be separated by fractional distillation. Mechanism given below. Third, oxidation of amines. When an oxidation is in which the nitro group is attached to a tertiary carbon atom is oxidized with the potassium permanganate, a nitroalkane is obtained. Preparation of nitroarenes. Nitroarenes are most invariably prepared by direct nitration of arenes. The nitrating agents generally used are first concentration or a fuming nitric acid. Second, mixture of a concentrated or a fuming nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid. Sometimes fuming sulfuric acid is also used. This mixture is the most commonly used as nitrating agent. Third, mixture of a concentrated nitric acid and acetic anhydride or bromo trifluoride. Fourth, acetyl nitride obtained by mixing nitro peroxide and acetic anhydride. Fifth, nitrogen peroxide in the presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride. Choice of nitrating agent. The choice of nitrating agent to be used for nitration of a given compound depend upon the following two factors. First, nature of a compound to be nitrated. Second, number of nitro compound to be introduced. In the nitration of aromatic compound containing electron releasing or activating groups such as NH2, OH, CH3, the reaction takes place readily at room temperature by employing concentrated HNO3. In some cases, even dilute HNO3 can be used. For example, phenol plus dilute HNO3 give ortho and para nitrophenols. For nitrating compound containing electron withdrawing or electron attacking or deactivating groups such as carboxylic or when it is derived to introduce more than one nitro group, a suitable strong nitrating mixture has been employed and the reaction is carried out at high temperature. It may be remembered that nitro group itself is also a deactivating group. Nitrobenzene and para-nitrobenzene for instance can be obtained for benzene under the conditions shown below. Meta-nitrobenzene in the presence of concentrated when benzene in the presence of concentrated H2SO4 and HNO3 at 373 Kelvin temperature give meta-dinitrobenzene. And in benzene when we add concentrated H2SO4 and HNO3 at 328 Kelvin temperature give nitrobenzene. Mechanism of nitration. Nitration of aromatic compound like other aromatic substituent reaction is electrophilic in nature and involved nitronium ion NO2 positive as the attacking electrophile. The mechanism may be summed up as followed by considering the nitration of benzene with nitric acid sulfuric acid mixture. First, generation of electrophile. HNO3 plus H2H2SO4 give nitronium ion plus hydronium ion plus 2HSO4 negative. Formation of a carbocation ion. Third, proton transfer from carbocation to yield the final product. Evidence in favor of above mechanism. It has been shown above that aromatic nitration involves a stepwise mechanism. The nitronium ion, which acts as the electrophile reagent, is generally in a preliminary test and being about further reacting in two steps. The first step is slow or determining step involving the addition of nitronium ion to the aromatic ring to form a carbocation intermediate. The second step, which is relatively fast, involves the elimination of a proton from the intermediating ion by heterolytic cleavage of a carbon-hydrogen bond. The mechanism has been fully supported by isotopic trace technique as explained below. If an aromatic compound labeled with the deuterium, the heavier isotope of hydrogen has a mass of 2 AMU, is subjected to nitration, it is found that rate of a substituent of a deuterium is the same as that of ordinary hydrogen or a protonium. In other words, no isotopic effect is observed since nitrobenzene melting point 278.8 Kelvin, boiling point 463 Kelvin. Meta-dinitrobenzene boiling point 363 Kelvin. Melting point 363, boiling point 576. 135 trinitrobenzene, melting point 395. Chemical reaction of nitroalkanes. The important chemical reaction of nitroalkane are as follows. First, acidic nature. Tautomerism. Nitroalkane contain alpha hydrogen atom such that primary and secondary nitroalkane only exhibits acidic behavior and form salt in the presence of strong alkyl. For example, nitroalkanes plus NaOH give salt of sodium plus water. The acidity can be attributed to the fact that first nitro group has a strong electron withdrawing inductive effect. Second, the anion formed after the removal of a proton from nitroalkane get resonance stabilized due to the ability of a nitro group to accommodate negative charge as shown below. It is interesting to note that if the salt formed by nitroalkane is acidified at low temperature, the oily drop of nitroalkane do not separate immediately, but we get another form of nitroalkane known as the acetynitro form, which slowly change into the nitro forms. This is due to the fact that primary and secondary nitroalkane exhibits tautomerism, the tautomerism being a nitro form and acetynitro forms. The tautomerism equilibrium between two forms lie almost completely toward the nitro form because it is stabilized by the resonance of nitro groups. Acetynitro form is relatively stronger acid than nitro forms. An important feature of acetynitro forms is that it can act both as the electrophile and a nucleophile. Unlike primary and secondary nitroalkane, tertiary nitroalkane do not have any alpha hydrogen atom. As such, they exhibit neither acidic character nor tautomerism. Second, reduction of nitroalkanes. Reduction of nitroalkane is one of their most important reactions. The reduction of nitro compound takes place in stage as shown below. Nitro compound reduced to nitroso compound, then substituted hydroxylamine, then primary amines. The product actually obtained depend upon the nature of reducing agent and the pH of the reaction medium. Thus, nitroalkane can form different products on reduction as given below. First, reduction in acidic medium. When reduction in acidic solution, nitroalkane form primary amines. Second, catalyst reduction or reduction with lithium aluminium hydride. Reduction with lithium aluminium hydride or H2 in the presence of nickel platinum or platinum catalyst also yield the same product. Third, reduction of neutral medium. If the reduction is carried out in a neutral solution, a hydroxylamine derivative is obtained. The hydroxylamines are readily oxidized to corresponding nitroso compound on warming with Tollern reagent, which get reduced to metallic silver. This reaction is used as a test for nitro compound under the name Becker-Mulkin test. Third, hydrolysis. When boiled with concentrated HCl or H2SO4, primary nitroalkane undergoes hydrolysis to form carboxylic acid and the corresponding salt of hydroxylamine. For example, 1 degree nitroalkane plus water plus HCl when heated converted into carboxylic acid and NH2OH.HCl means salt of hydroxylamine. Secondary nitroalkanes are hydrolyzed to ketone and nitrous oxide by boiling with concentrated HCl. Tertiary nitroalkane are not hydrolyzed by acid. Fourth, Naft reaction. When sodium salt of primary and secondary nitroalkane are hydrolyzed by boiling with dilute concentrated acid, dilute sulfuric acid, aldehyde and ketone respectively are obtained. The reaction proceeds through the acid nitro form of nitroalkanes. For example, sodium salt of primary nitroalkane plus H2SO4 give aldehyde plus NaHSO4 plus N2O plus water. In this reaction, the anti-nitro form acts as an electrophile. Fifth, action with nitrous acid. Primary, secondary, tertiary nitroalkane exhibits different behavior toward nitrous acid. First, primary nitroalkane reacts with nitrous acid to form nitrolic acid, which dissolve in NaOH to produce a red solution. Secondary nitroalkane reacts with nitrous acid to form pseudo-nitroso, which have blue color but do not dissolve in NaOH. Tertiary nitroalkane and nitroarenes do not react with nitrous acid since they do not contain any alpha hydrogen atom. The above reaction can be used for distinguish between primary, secondary and tertiary nitro compounds. Sixth, halogenation. When treated with halogen is slightly alkyne solution, primary and secondary nitroalkene undergoes hydrogenation at alpha position. For example, nitroethane in presence of chlorine and NaOH give 1-chloronitroethane. In presence of chlorine and NaOH converted into 1,1-dichloronitroethane. The mechanism may be summed up as followed. Second, catalytic reduction. Reduction of nitrobenzene with H2 in the presence of nickel and palladium catalysts also lead to formation of aniline. Third, reduction of neutral medium. When reduction in neutral medium, example with zinc dust and ammonium chloride solution, the reaction stopped at the hydroxylamine stage. Fourth, reduction of in alkyl medium. On reduction in alkyl medium, nitrobenzene yield different product depending upon the nature of reducing agent employed. Nitrobenzene in presence of Na3ASO3 in presence of NaOH give azoxybenzene. In presence of zinc dust and NaOH in CH3OH give azobenzene. Zinc in presence of zinc and NaOH give hydrazobenzene. These products are actually formed by further reacting with the primary reduction product such that nitrosobenzene and phenyl hydroxylamine as shown below. Azoxybenzene A is formed by condensation of nitrosobenzene and phenyl hydroxylamine as given below. This is sufficient evidence to show that azobenzene is formed through the intermediate formation of azoxybenzene and its further reduction. Hydrazobenzene C is similar formed by further reduction of azobenzene. Fourth, reduction with lithium aluminium hydride. Reduction of nitrobenzene with lithium aluminium hydride also yield azobenzene. Fourth, electrolytic reduction. When a reduction electrolytically in weaker acid medium, nitrobenzene give aniline, but on electrolysis reduction is a strongly acidic solution. Nitrobenzene yield para-aminophenol due to rearrangement of phenyl hydroxylamine first formed. Electrolytic reduction in alkene medium yield azobenzene and hydrazobenzene. Seventh, selection reduction. In case of a compound containing more than one nitrobenzene, it is possible to carry out the selective reduction of one of a group by employing a mild reducing agent such as ammonium hydrosulfide or sodium polysulfide. For example, metadinitrobenzene plus hydrosulfide give metanitroaniline. This reduction is known as Ginin reduction. Third, electrophilic substitution. Nitrobenzene, being an electron withdrawing group, has a strong deactivating effect on electrophilic substitution reaction of a benzene nucleus. However, under strong condition, nitro compound may undergo electrophilic substitution in meta position with respect to the nitro group. For example, metachloronitrobenzene when nitrobenzene in presence of Cl2 and FeCl3 give metachloronitrobenzene. Nitrobenzene in presence of fuming HNO3 and concentrated H2SO4 give metadinitrobenzene. Nitrobenzene in presence of fuming H2SO4 give metanitrobenzene sulfonic acid. It may be noted that nitrobenzene does not undergo Friedel-Crafts reaction. Fourth, nucleophilic substitution reaction. The nitrobenzene has no doubt a deactivating influence on electrophilic substitution in benzene nucleus due to its electron withdrawing nature. But this very electron withdrawing influence of nitro group made the benzene nucleus liable to the attack by nucleophilic reagent. Thus, unlike benzene, nitrobenzene on heating with sodium hydroxide gives small amount of ortho or para nitrophenols. Mechanism. The mechanism of reaction may be outlined as followed by concentration or the formation of para nitrophenols. Fifth, replacement of a nitrobenzene. In case of a polynitro compound, one of the nitro groups itself can be replaced by nucleophilic group. For example, para-dinitrobenzene in presence of ammonia give para-nitroaniline. Para-dinitrobenzene in presence of KOH give para-nitrophenols. Para-dinitrobenzene in presence of C2H5ONA give para-nitrophenols. Phenol. Thank you. This chapter is complete.